Hi guys, welcome to our first Thanksgiving special. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the best homemade candy yams ever. It's so good. I'll show you guys how to make it right now. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Here are the ingredients you will need. I'll be using 2 medium-sized yams. Also, I'll be using granulated sugar with dark brown sugar. I'll be using butter, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt. This recipe is so simple and so good. This is one of my favorite Thanksgiving side dish, and I'm excited to show you guys how it's done. So first thing I'll be doing is peeling my yams like the old school. I'm using a knife. Of course, you can use a potato peeler if you want, but we're going to jump right in by just peeling this thing off. Once I'm done peeling my yams, I am going to cut them. Now I'm going to try my best to cut them exactly the same size. That way they all can cook at the same time. So try your best to do it that way. Or you can cut them into dice or however you like to cut it. Just make sure all of them are cut exactly the same size, even though it's impossible. Okay, now what we're going to do is remove the starch from the yam. I am going to pour some water on there and clean them really good. I like to wash them twice, so we're going to remove that starchy water and pour some more clean water to it and rinse it again. Now I am going to take my baking dish and add some butter to it and butter it up. That way we can prevent the yams from sticking at the bottom and also from burning. Now we're going to add our yams right on there. Once you're done adding your yam, one layer, then we're going to add our granulated sugar and also our dark brown sugar. And now I'm adding my cinnamon in there as well as the nutmeg. And to balance the sugar, I am also going to be adding some salt. Okay, add the salt to your taste. Don't go crazy. It's just a little pinch of salt. Now we're going to add the second layer of the yams right on top of there. And also I do have another recipe that is very similar to this one, but not really. If you want to make your candy yams another way, I will leave that video down below, and I have one with marshmallows as well that I made last year. I will leave it down below as well. Now as you can see, I added the white sugar and the dark brown sugar right on there. Just repeat the same step basically, and then we're going to add our cinnamon, ground cinnamon with the nutmeg. And also you can't forget the salt. Just sprinkle some salt right on there, just like that. Now to help the sugar caramelize, we're going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Not too much because the yams will produce its own water, but just to help the sugar melt a little bit. Here's what I have once I am done. I am going to cover it with a foil, and also I'm poking some holes on the foil just to help the steam to air out so it doesn't produce water and make this a super soupy water down candy yams. Okay, just make sure you poke some holes on there, or you can even lift the foil up a little bit to let the steam out so it doesn't form water and just make a soupy candy yams. Okay, so once I am done, I am going to bake it on 350 for about an hour to an hour and a half. This is about 1 hour into the cooking process. I took it out. Now I'm going to add the butter. I'm using unsalted butter, and also I'm going to add my vanilla extract as well. Then we're going to cover it, put it back in the oven. Once it's done, honey, ooh, child, this is what you have. You have the most amazing, oh, the smell alone will make you want to eat this whole dish. Okay, y'all, candy yams is one of my favorite of all time side dish when it comes to Thanksgiving. I'll make it even though it's not Thanksgiving. I hope you guys actually try this out because it's so good and so easy. Let me know how it turned out for you guys. Be sure to stay tuned because I'll be uploading every day for the month of November. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.